and today we are going to discuss about relative strength index. It's an oscillator. We can go here. Let me show with practical so that an explanation with a practicality will be very helpful for making a money here. It's a relative strength index. You can see it's updated. Just click on it. Okay, and you will get this indicator here downside there. Okay, let me change some settings here. I'll go to input and style. The moving average, I will change it to red color so that will be visible. We can easily see now, right? Okay, highest point we have drawn is 70. It's a overbought level, and below I have drawn at 30, which is a oversold region. So in intraday, how we can trade using this RSI updated portion? Okay, now you can look at this one. I'll switch to 5 minutes chart for this one. I'm not using any volume or anything here. Just I'm using RSI and I'm going to trade for this one. Okay, let me look at this one right now. Okay, can you see this one? The moving average, it's a red line, and this is a RSI indicator. Okay, what is the logic here? Whenever this red line crosses from below and RSI going upside, that means there is a buy orders are going to come. Okay, and if moving averages crosses from above to below of RSI, then we are looking for a short opportunity. That's it. Okay, that's it. There's no any funda logic here. We can look at this one. But one important point I have to add here, that number one, if moving average is crossing from below to below and RSI going upside above the moving average, then it should be near to 30, 35, 40, so that it will be very helpful for our entry for a buy order here. And for sell, it should be near to the 70, that is overbought region. When it is crossing below the moving average, then we are going to take a sell position for this indicator. That is only two conditions that we can assume and use it. You can see here, when the bank nifty has crossed 35,800, and at the same time we can look that this candle has made very good bullish sign here. At the same time, you can look that this is the cross where we have to get alerted. Rather than this, we have to look support and resistance so that we can take a position here. At this point, there was a intraday and even the weekly support was going on. At the same time, this kind of an indication has given us a lot of opportunity to take an entry here by looking at this indicator. You can see this is an entry, and apart from this one, this could be our stop loss. And what is our target? That is 1:1. If you put the same thing here, you can look that we have a long position. We can put here somewhere here. Okay, will be managing about 1:1 here easily. Can look that one. This is how we can make a trade using this RSI and the moving average combination. Okay, you can look for any sell opportunity. That is the same thing even help for in RSI. RSI is such an indicator which will help you getting a sense about any divergence or any changes in the market price momentum. You can look this one and this level and this level and this RSI. You can look that this at this point of junction, this is higher than this level, but RSI was showing that there is about to go sell off. So when to enter the trade now? You can look that at this moment exactly there is a moving average cross from above. Okay, the RSI is moving from above to below. The moving average was crossed. So at this point of position, when we are to take a position, if you're looking at this junction, this looks like a top, double top. At the same time, just draw a trend line here, look that any breakdown structure is happening, then go for an entry. You can see this one, putting a stop loss here. Again, we look for a 1:1 kind of a position here. You can look that, put a stop loss somewhere here. so that we have achieved our 1:1 target easily somewhere near after 1.5 hours. But this is a condition that the moving average should be looked at. And two conditions we have discussed right now. One is the moving average is it crossing, means RSI, is it crossing from below the moving average, that is red line what is showing, that one it is setting about 14/2. Okay, and if it is so, then is the indication of candlesticks, is there, we are looking any breakout kind of structure, means price action have to be looked at. Yes, price action is happening there, number other points. At the same time, candlesticks has given a clear cut close above, and even you can add some VWAP indicator so that you can get a sense that okay, this is the right time entry or not. Okay, we will look not only one example here, we will look multiple examples so that it will be very clear for us to analyze this one. And some swing traders use this one in a 30 minutes, which is very helpful. We can use it here, but I again and again repeat that use it near to the overbought and oversold regions so that we are in a bright conditions here. Okay, and even in day candle also you can use here, you can look that one for options trading purpose. You can look here at this point, the RSI has crossed, RSI has crossed below the moving average here at this point. And even you can sense here that other candlesticks patterns also, the candlesticks patterns are also showing the loss of momentum. At the same time, it is showing like this one. In that kind of situation, what we should do that, okay, either if we are not entering the trade here directly by selling the future, we will go some other top levels like here 39,000 and 40,000 call shots, and we put for a weekly hold for a sell position. If we are getting zero, then we are getting automatically our income for a week. That is the important point of view to be observed. You can look that one. It is crossing somewhere here, but we are not going to observe because it's crossing from below to high in the moving average, but in the middle we are not going to consider this one. Okay, if it is going crossing from above, then only we are crossing. It is at the top level, means near to the overbought region, means okay. Then if you can see this one again, it has crossed here. Then also we are looking that for short positions, that is call shorts, that is more mainly OTM calls, that is 40,000 call, 41,000 call, like that kind of situation we have to observe here. Okay, now look some stocks also where we can get a sense that we have good position here. Let me look Reliance here. Okay, Reliance in even there can be looked at 5 minutes chart also. Okay, can you look that in an intraday has crossed here somewhere near, and a clear cut buy position candlesticks happen, means U-shaped recovery at this 5 minutes, and slowly it has went high like anything. This is how we can use this kind of a indicator. Unless and until it crosses the below moving average, we can hold the position. Okay, that is a logic here. Otherwise we are going to make a 1:1 target or trailing a sell. You can use this one for any kind of activities, means any kind of trades, and even you can use it for currency trades also, like gold, even USD CAD, and for gold also. And I mainly use it for Bank Nifty and Nifty, and I am sure that has given a lot of good opportunity entry and exits so many times. You can use it for Nifty, Bank Nifty, because it will helpful for mainly for me such a option sellers, so that it will be very good for us because we can easily eat a theta decay and wait for our good trade. You can see, look this one also. Okay, Nifty has somewhat, he has crossed here, and you can entered here, and you can see how the rally has went up. And even you can see that is somewhere here that has showing me that okay, there is a crossover going to happen, but they were not. Please do use the price action at that moment to check that whether the price action is showing that any breakdown of structure, then the whatever the indicator is showing, that will be very helpful. The indicators are the helpful only to show us that any changes in the market structure. In that sense, we have to observe the support resistance at the same time, and make a sense whether we are going to take a position or not. If the support is there, obviously mark them at a proper levels and use that indicator at the same time, so that it will be very helpful for us, right? Okay. And we can look back our history also. You can see that one, the here it has crossed suddenly and it has went up. Okay. And we can look in the intraday charts also. Okay, here you can see this one. Okay. Here also you can look that a lot many times it has helped us for a trade, right? Sometimes I usually suggest is to use near to the bottom, that is near to 30 RSI 30 or near to 65-70 level, so that we can get easy entry and exits here. You can look at this one here also. Okay, it has crossed below, that's 22 Feb, that is 3 o'clock, and it's gapped up. Okay, next day it has again started crossing, and even you can look that what was happening here. The RSI was going down, the same time the moving average crossed below. Okay, RSI was crossing below the moving average. Then we are going to take a short position only looking at price action here. You can see that one, and this is a loss of momentum. You can easily look at and can get a sense of that one, and you can easily get taking the entry like this using the RSI and using a moving average is a very good combination for intraday trade, mainly for option selling, so where you can eat a theta decay, and even you can use it for option buying also. More or all, for a option seller purpose, I'm looking this one as a trade and a bank nifty, and even you can use it for a future trades also. It's a very good indicator, that is RSI and moving average combination. Do use and do come to know any conclusion if you have, and if you have any confusion, please do comment on the comment box. And if you do not subscribe till now, please do subscribe and get notifications, and I will be posting more kind of this activities, so that it will be helpful for the traders in the coming days. Thank you very much.